Now here's Stephen Caruso with a look at this week's business headlines.
Here's the news that moved markets this week. It only took minutes for the market to plunge. Fed minutes, that is. Maybe sometimes reading is believing. That could be why stocks sold off sharply on Wednesday afternoon in reaction to the minutes of the December FOMC meeting. The minutes suggested that the Federal Reserve could begin to let its balance sheet shrink sooner than investors were ready for. Well, rising rates and surging bond yields triggered selling among hedge fund managers. Hedge funds dumped growth-focused technology shares at a speed not seen in the past decade. The hedge fund community started the year with the biggest sale in dollar terms in more than 10 years, reaching a record since Goldman Sachs Prime Brokerage started tracking the data. Tech stocks are seen as sensitive to rising rates because of increased tech costs that can hinder their growth. Speaking of high tech, BMW introduced an SUV that can change colors at the press of a button, going from white to gray to black and back again in moments. The trick isn't done with paint at all, but with specially formed wrapping cut to fit the SUV's body panels. The wrapping has the same sort of e-ink technology used in electronic readers. The color panels were precisely cut to match the shape of the SUV's body panels, and then electric wiring is attached to each section. From changing colors to changing meat, KFC announced it will launch its first plant-based chicken option nationwide at its more than 4,000 locations. The new Beyond Fried Chicken was created in partnership with vegan brand Beyond Meat and seeks to replicate KFC's famous fried chicken, but without animal products. Beyond Fried Chicken can be ordered in 6-piece, 12-piece, or as part of KFC's first plant-based meal combo. Now here's Jane talking to the CEO of a company that soared last year in the metaverse.